Hi folks, Dave Fulmer again. In this video I want to show you how to make an autoplay on your video that you put in your blog. You can either have it autoplay when you first turn it on, or when they first open up the blog and it'll just start playing, or you can have them click on the little arrow inside the blog and have them start it. Sometimes it's real nice to have it just automatically play so that you can get your message across. But sometimes if you have a post that people will be coming back to, or you have other videos in it, it may be a good idea not to have an autoplay. But I want to show you the difference on autoplay and not autoplay. So we're going to go back to the blog that I started on how-to things, and I'm going to edit that first post. And if you remember, what we did here was when we view it, let's go ahead and view it first, and let the video load. And in order to play it, you have to click on this little arrow. But let's change this and put this in so it automatically plays when you open up the blog. I'm going to go back. I need to show you a WordPad document that I have where I store my videos. I also have a little bit of code up here, and you don't have to know code to do this. I'll show you exactly what to do. First of all, the portion of the URL that you would work with on from YouTube is this right here, and the only thing that we have some code, some HTML code, and that's this area right here. And I'm sorry, the autoplay code is this area right here. Now if you notice, what you can do is you can take a portion of the code out of the URL, this portion right here that I've got in red, and do a Control C. I can take it up to my autoplay code, HTML code up here, and I can insert it between this question mark and the / back here, and I'll just do a Control V, and now this portion is the same as the last video that we made. Then what I do is I copy the whole code right here, and we'll put that into the blog, and I'll show you how to do that. Control C for the whole code. I minimize it, get it out of the way, and then we're going to do some edit on the post. And what we're going to do here, we're not going to use this insert HTML code. We're going to have to go back to the straight code, but don't get nervous about it. I'm going to delete this, and then we're going to go to HTML, and right after all that startup information there, what we will do is give us a couple lines here, and I'm going to copy that HTML code right here in the code. I'm just going to go to a Control V, and it's copied. It's done. Now when we update it, we've got the blog back here. I save the changes, then we view it, and watch what happens once we view it. We don't do any clicking on the arrow or anything. The video will automatically start playing. You see it's loading, and pretty soon we'll have sound in the video and it will play. And there it is. Stop that, and you notice how that worked. Okay, let's I don't want this post. I'm not at a point where I want to choose to make this autoplay, so I'm going to take that back out, and we're going to do a review on how to get your blog in, which is probably a good idea too. So we'll do an edit of that post. I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to go back over to my film to add in a video and install the video from my WordPad document. I'm going to copy the whole thing because you need the whole URL in there for non-play, for what we're doing there. Control C and copy the whole thing. Control V, and we're going to make this 500. Whoops. Okay, we got the 500, and insert it. And now we save the changes, and we're back to where we were originally. What I'll be doing is adding these videos to this post as we go along, and then it'll be a complete record to be able to use, and you can stop each video whenever you need to do what you want to do with it. I'll have things labeled so that you know which is which, and I'll do a view here on that post. And now you notice we're back to the original, where we have to click on the arrow here in order to start the video going. Okay, that takes care of the difference between autoplay and not autoplay.